If your friends walked you up to a cliff blindfolded and tied you into a rope swing, would you jump off of it? Well, let's see what Friedi did at the Fruit Bowl on this episode of How Not to Highline.
This is my first time to the Fruit Bowl. Ryan's gonna show me around.
Should I blindfold myself already for the...
Why are you looking at the ground, Friedi?
So that I don't spoil the surprise for myself. This is the first time that I'm here, and I'm trying not to see everything.
Okay.
I'm gonna walk up to this rope swing.
Put the blindfold on.
Alright.
Come on.
Okay. Just don't let me break my ankles on the way there.
Oh, we will protect you, don't worry.
You can blindfold highline, you can do this.
Dude, this is fucking thrilling. You guys gotta try this shit sometime. This is scarier than highlining blind.
Walk over and I'm gonna clip you in.
Alright. Okay.
And we're going up a little bit. Okay, now stay.
Now sit down, and we'll have you sit straight down.
Facing this way?
Yep, facing that way. Sit down, and we'll have you scoot. Everything you do, you're gonna scoot.
Like rope swing ready, or just for now?
No, this is just like
There
a
you go.
daisy.
You are now daisied in.
All right.
You are officially safe. How you feeling, Friedi?
I'm feeling really good.
You've never seen this cliff before.
I've never seen this cliff before. I never felt this ground before. I walked here entirely blindfolded. I have no idea what's around me.
And other people are gonna tie you in.
Yeah.
I trust those people. That's all good.
You trust me. Alright, so the first one is gonna be a steel beaner that we're clipping.
Oh, sweet.
Okay, Garrison just unclipped him. Garrison and I both have checked him. Step back, Garrison. There you go. And Friedi's only tied to the jump ropes.
All right.
And we've shown him with his hands that he's safe. And he's completely trusting us that this is attached to something.
Yeah.
Don't. We love you too much to let you die. You're 2 steps from the edge.
Okay,
so
I have 5 seconds. You'll give me
on 5, pull it off.
On 5, I'll pull it off, and then you.
Yep, so we're starting at 10. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How was it?
That was amazing. Very good first Fruit Bowl experience.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it beautiful here?
Yeah, it's beautiful. I'm gonna have to use the next hours to just get to know everything, suck it all in. But I definitely want to jump again. That's a really cool rope swing.
Woo! Hey, don't be an idiot and go jump off rope swings that you didn't even tie yourself into, let alone inspect the anchors. Instead, you ought to inspect the entire rig of the rope jump and tie yourself in and go second. But until you get that opportunity, watch the episode on how we rig that rope jump so you know how to inspect it. And don't forget to subscribe.